What if the world had only one leader? For centuries, humanity has been divided by borders, by governments, by ideology. Every nation operates independently, sometimes cooperating, sometimes clashing. Wars have been fought over power, land, and resources. But what if all of that was erased? Imagine a single leader governing all of humanity. No national boundaries, no conflicting governments, just one system, one vision. Would this bring peace, prosperity, and unity? Or would it lead to oppression, control, and suffering? Today, we explore both possibilities. Let's begin with the best-case scenario. Imagine a leader chosen not by corruption, not by force, but by universal consensus, a true representative of humanity, guided by ethics, science, and reason. This leader wouldn't serve a country. They would serve all of us. With no competing governments, the world's problems could be tackled collectively. Decisions wouldn't be made for the benefit of just one country, but for the entire planet. Instead of nations hoarding resources, a single governing body could ensure fair distribution, no more world hunger, no more extreme poverty. With a centralized system, innovation could skyrocket. Instead of nations competing in a race for dominance, the world's best minds could collaborate freely, solving climate change, curing diseases, even expanding into space. The human race, united, could become an interplanetary species. We could completely phase out fossil fuels, eliminate pollution, and create a world where technology serves humanity, not just the highest bidder. Education would no longer be limited by wealth or geography. The world's brightest minds could rise from anywhere, no matter where they were born. A single, fair leader could usher in an age of peace, no wars, no power struggles. Humanity, for the first time in history, would truly be one. But what if things don't go so well? Let's consider the dark side. What if absolute power led to absolute corruption? One person controlling the entire planet means no opposition, no checks and balances. If this leader turned tyrannical, who would stop them? Without competition or the threat of rebellion, this leader could rewrite laws however they wanted. Dissenters? Silenced. Resistance? Crushed. Privacy? Gone. Every move tracked, every conversation recorded. Freedom of speech? A distant memory. The government could force people into labor camps, deciding who lives in comfort and who suffers. Dissent would mean exile, imprisonment, or worse. Wealth inequality could reach unimaginable levels. The elite ruling class would live in luxury, while the rest of humanity barely survived. Our history tells us one thing. Tyranny always breeds resistance, but at what cost? How many lives would be lost before freedom returned? So, what's the truth? Would a single world leader save us or doom us? The reality is that power must always be balanced. Even the best leader must be held accountable, and even the worst must have limits. The choice is ours. How we govern ourselves determines whether humanity will rise or fall. What do you think? Would one leader unite us or destroy us? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, stay curious.